Hello, in this video we will show several basic arithmetic functions for vector operations in R. So we go to RStudio. So we create two vectors, V and W, each of them having 5 elements. So we know vector is a series of elements with one-dimensional data structure in R. And most of the arithmetic functions for the vectors are element-wise. For example, V added by W, the result is also a vector with 5 elements, and each element is the addition between these two vectors' corresponding elements. And similarly, V minus W will get the results for element-wise difference, and the multiplication between two vectors also element-wise, and same for the division between V and W. And this symbol is for power function. So V is the power of W. So this will be very large number, you can see, but also element-wise 5 elements in the result. And we can also calculate the power of W for the 2. So the result is also element-wise with 5 elements in results. Then if a vector is added by a scalar, so the resulting is a vector with the same number of elements, and each of them is addition with the corresponding elements in the original vector with this scalar. If you use the min function for the vector, then the result is not element-wise, and the result is one number representing the mean of all the elements in the original vector. So if you use SD of W, then the result is standard deviation of this vector, and square root will apply element-wise of the square root operations for each element in this vector. And similarly, if we use log W, then each element will be performed with a logarithm with the E base for the logarithm. And sin is for sum function in the trigonometric mathematics. So sin W will get the sum of each element in this vector. Thanks for watching.